So, good day, sir. I am J. Michael Hernandez, currently a fourth-year student at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, taking a Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Engineering. And today, I will conduct a short interview regarding technical writing. So, thank you, sir, for taking the time to speak with me today. And to start, can you please introduce yourself, like a short introduction and your profession?
Good day, Jay. My name is Joseph Balino. I work as a CAD technician at Netify. It is a communications company based in Taguig. But now our offices are here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And my role is primarily focuses in design, planning, and implementation of our network infrastructure. This involves creating a technical drawings, detailed documentation that our teams use to build and maintain our systems.
So, okay, sir. Thank you for the short introduction about yourself and your work field. And now, I want to proceed to some of the few questions. So, for the first question, what is your experience in writing the technical papers?
For me, my experience with technical writing isn't about writing formal research papers you see in a journal. My work is focuses in practical day-by-day documentation that are essential to getting projects built. I spend my time creating design documents, detailed plans, and as-built drawings that show exactly where the network cables and equipment are located. And I also write technical reports and specifications that a field team uses for installation. Every document I create has a accurate is to be clear and accurate because people depend on it to do their jobs correctly and safety.
Mm. So, for my second question, sir, what are your strengths in writing the technical paper?
My strengths in technical writing are heavily influenced by my work as a CAD technician. I am focuses on precision and detail, which allows me to use exact language to include all the necessary information to prevent confusion for our field teams. I also focuses on structure and clarity to ensure all my documents are logically organized and easy to the technician to navigate and to find the exact specifications that they need.
Mm. For the third question, sir, what are your weaknesses or weakness in writing the technical paper?
For me, my weaknesses are like any skill in technical writing as a challenges. My main weaknesses is that the writing can be very direct and technical, which sometimes makes me lack of a smooth narrative flow. Another challenge for me is the time management, as creating thorough detailed documentation can take a significant amount of time, especially with multiple revisions.
So, for the third question, sir, what is the value for you of technical writing in your profession?
Value of technical writing. Technical writing is absolutely essential in my profession. Our documents are the blueprints of our network infrastructure. They prevent costly errors during maintenance and implementation, ensure that our projects are built to standard, and to serve a crucial long-term record for our future maintenance and upgrades. With a clear documentation, critical information will be lost, making work impossible to manage efficiently.
Mm. So, I think that's it, sir. And thank you very much, sir, for your time and for your sharing your experience with me. So, to summarize, I can see that technical writing is in your profession is very different from what we might study in school. It's not about formal research paper, but about creating day-to-day documents like blueprints and detailed plans. So you emphasize that your main strength in this kind of writing are precision and clarity, which are absolutely critical for avoiding errors and ensuring field teamworks can work effectively. You also share the challenges like time management and making the writing feels less direct are part of the day-to-day process or the normal process. So, and most importantly, you showed me that the immense value of skill So you described that your document as a blueprint for a project which prevent costly mistake and serves as the vital records for your company for the future. So I think, sir, this for me, this interview is an eye-opening experience that highlighted the true practical value of technical writing outside the academic world. So this has been a huge help for me, and thank you, sir, for showing me how essential technical writing it is in the real world of engineering. So, and I am confident that on your perspective that will be a great help for me in my studies and my future career. And I think that's it for this interview. And once again, thank you, Sir Joseph.
Okay.
Thank you po.